Hi, I'm Jason.
And I'm Paola. We are Jace by Architecture.
And welcome to our project in Fort Greene.
This is a classic Brooklyn brownstone built in the late 1800s.
But in the 60s, it was converted into multiple apartments. So our task was to convert this townhouse back into a two-family. So we got to fully gut renovate this townhouse and create a new vision for how it could be laid out. This is one of the most comprehensive projects we've ever done.
And we're really excited to show it to you. The existing house was covered in layers of paint, and one of the first things we decided to do was remove all that paint and restore the brick. At the top of the stairs, we decided to expose the rafters and bring in some skylights to help draw that light all the way down to the parlor.
When you first walk in, one of our goals was to see through the building and get the natural light from the backyard. Then we really worked really hard to fit the kitchen, the dining room, and the living room on this first floor, which involved really stacking the stairs in the kitchen and creating a lot of custom cabinetry to utilize the space.
Once we determined where the kitchen was going to go, we wanted it to seamlessly blend in with the stairwell. For the materials, we chose a magnetic chalkboard paint to help the family communicate with each other. For the backsplash, we chose this dramatic marble to help tie in the light and dark elements in the space. Another benefit of the kitchen placement is that it's bathed in light from the wall of windows from the backyard.
We placed the dining room here because it's a great node between the kitchen and the living space. So in the dining room, we have both the gentle light of the fireplace and the light from this light fixture, which creates a really romantic glow. Opening up the back wall was such an important part of this townhouse design, and we put in a lot of effort of creating a big steel beam that opened up the back. So we decided to expose that steel and allow it to become part of the aesthetic of the space. One of our main design goals was to store this fireplace, which then became the anchor for the living room.
Since we didn't have an original mantle here, we were able to design whatever we wanted and modernize the fireplace. We added the firebox and created a space to store wood. For the mantle, we chose to use a recessed steel channel, which also ties into the steel in the back.
Once the fireplace was set, it was up to our clients to bring in the furniture, and luckily our clients had great taste, and they created a really cozy living space.
When we originally met these clients, we noticed that they had an abundance of art. And so one of the things we did in this living space was to ensure that we had a gallery wall for them. Some of our best projects are when we are able to collaborate with our clients to bring them in and be part of the design process. Here on the second floor, we have the primary ensuite, the family room, and the home office. For the home office, we were able to reuse the wood boards from the existing house and create it into a barn door. And it brings a lot of character to this space.
For the primary suite, we wanted to keep it simple and calming for the clients.
To achieve this, we tucked the bed away from the door so that it's not the first thing you see as you walk in. And we also put in a soothing dark blue wall behind the bed.
In the primary bathroom, we decided on a timeless aesthetic of black and white, dark tiles and white fixtures. We love the shower. It's all Corian, which is a seamless finish, and it even has an integrated footrest. On the third floor, we have the kids' bedrooms and a playroom.
And it's really where you can appreciate the natural light coming in through the skylights. This project allowed us to bring light and life back into this classic Brooklyn townhouse.
With our thoughtful new layout, creative ways in which we brought in natural light, and our choice of materials, we did just that.
Thanks so much for taking a look.
If you can't get enough of these fabulous homes and designs, then you gotta like and subscribe, because we could all use a little more fabulous in our lives, right?